Okay, so got this kitchen floor to do here. 12 by 24 inch tile on a running bond. Ditra, cardboard, house on that fashion. So I cut that piece. Okay, so I got it all cut in to install it. It's a Ditra trowel, 11/64 by 11/64. And see what you want. I'm gonna check for coverage, and that's what you want to see. The Ditra is all down. The extra thinset, I just pre-filled the Ditra, so it's all installed.